Hey, welcome to Kodiak. Let me introduce you to the new K42 V2. What's changed on this since the version 1? Well, every machine shipping from today's date on is going to be the new version V2. Point of this video is to show you what's changed. We're going to start up front. First things to notice, it's going to come with the upgraded LCD membrane panel. Also, we've upgraded the rollers. You can see the gray roller stacks on the side and underneath the machine. Also an upgraded gas pedal, more ergonomically pleasing. The front wheel drive is now much quieter and comes standard. But if you need more power, there is an HD heavy-duty cast iron front wheel drive available. A sight tube at the operator position now shows your clean solution level at a glance. Water capacity in your solution tank gets an 8% bump all the way up to 45 gallons for your solution capacity and 46 gallons for your dirty water recovery. Fill points on the right-hand side of the machine. Much easier to fill this unit compared to the V1 with a enlarged access and also a bit of a recess if you need to bucket fill. There's also the hose, the 6-foot hose that will pull out and attach to a faucet if you need to top off the machine. Spray wand is located from the operator's position so you can spray down any objects that need a pre-treat. On top of the tank, you notice probably right away that the ergonomics of the machine overall have changed with visibility and comfort for the operator, easily being able to see on either side of the unit with this sculpted recovery tank on top. Your lids, you have twin 8-inch cleanout ports on the right and left side of the machine. Easier access when you're putting these lids back in. Don't be Hercules. Finger tight is plenty. The vacuum will seal it down the rest of the way. Getting to the white vacuum filter and your stainless steel screen on top is much easier. For maintenance of these items are items that you want to rinse off and keep an eye on daily when you're doing your post-scrubbing cleanup. And then while we're in the back of the machine, I'd like to point out that the onboard charger has been moved to the back of the machine. It was previously located on the side of the machine where sometimes it would get in the way when you're trying to drive through doorways or other obstacles. Battery options, wet, AGM or lithium batteries are available on this unit, as is a watering kit for your wet batteries. Please note we have discontinued the 420 amp hour battery option for this machine. Overall, you can see now that the K22R and the K42 V2 both look similar, just larger and smaller versions of one another, making it much easier to demonstrate two machines if you only have one in stock. It's easy to sell up from the K22R, and it's easy to sell down from the K42. And both machines look as if they belong in the same family. So that's the K42 version 2, which stands apart visually from some of our other offerings at RPS and lines up more with the family of Kodiak riders. So please schedule a demo today. Go ahead and click on this link. We'd be happy to show you a new machine in person on a demonstration. Remember, buy American, buy a Kodiak.